Everybody, it's Iowa Nightcrawler here today. Today I'm at the Mason City Ford and Chrysler dealership, and we have today a Ram 3500 heavy duty Cummins turbo diesel truck. And my God, are these things a beast. Lifted off the ground, huge muffler, 4x4. You gotta show off the rim. You gotta have that big rim right there. Come around here, you got the badass rims over here. There's the interior. I don't even know if you can see inside of them. I don't want to go ask if I can or not. So, you got them tow mirrors. A huge grill. Love the grill. Got your towing stuff. Got antenna. I just made my array around the whole vehicle. And my camera is acting up right now and I'm not happy about it. There's that. Beast. Mirrors. Yeah, everybody, that'll conclude this video for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Leave a like. Thank you.